Time got away from me. It's like November. We're just gonna have a nice little vlog, do some cooking. About finished. Off the couch. I am so hungry, you guys. Literally. It has been weeks. Here is the living room, all plain and depressing. Go ahead and show you guys my decorations. This is my little entryway. We'll make it over to my little living room. Blankies, I got these from Five Below. Put a cute little centerpiece here. Say hey. Say hey. Hi, hello, welcome you all. Oh my gosh. So I just wanted to come on and show my face, and yeah, we're just gonna have a nice little vlog, do some cooking, do some fall decorating. I'm excited for the seasons, and I'm really hungry as well. So if it's your first time here, hi, welcome. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment, say hi. I hope you guys are doing good. And I hope you guys are in the season spirits. I know not every year everyone's in the spirits. I'm not always in the spirit, but this year I am, and I'm grateful for that. But I just wanted to say that, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Okay. I'm still shy about my vlog. My footage is a little dark, but here is the living room, all plain and depressing. I'm just kidding. I'm grateful for our living room space. Here is my fall paper ornament Christmas tree, and there are the paper wreaths. Yeah, I made some little fall wreaths out of old book pages, so that was really fun. So I have those there. Still got a lot of decorating to do, but we'll get started with that today. Hi, Bella. Hi, Cookie. You came to see me? Say hey. Say hey. You need to go out? Hi, butterfly. How pretty are you? Wow. Beautiful. Oh, man. Onion. We'll grab two. I am so hungry, you guys. Literally. And garlic. Okay, cool. I just realized what I'm making is literally on the front of the package. I am making stuffed peppers with ground turkey and some veggies. Got my pan over here, so I'm gonna be frying up this turkey. I have the turkey, the ground turkey. It is in here cooking. So that's what we're doing. I just cut up some onion here, and I am gonna cut up these mushrooms and sweet peppers and garlic as well. I almost forgot. I need to be cooking the rice. Just pulling out my little rice cooker. So we got that right there. Need my little bowl and the lid. And we're gonna be using brown rice. Okay, got our rice in here. Okay, we're cooking. I have the ground turkey. I feel like my camera is not good. Okay, I have the ground turkey, smoked paprika, onions, pepper, and I'm gonna add some, I never knew how to pronounce this, but I add a little bit of this, And I'm gonna add some garlic, and I'm gonna add some sweet peppers. I'm gonna add about I'm just putting the cutting the peppers here. I gotta rinse the seeds out. So this is about finished. And our rice is nice and finished. Just going in, stuffing the peppers. Dylan, you want some stuffed peppers? Mm-hmm. You guys, those stuffed peppers were amazing. They were really, really yummy. We got done eating them. I don't even know if I have enough energy now. Me and my husband are about to go on a walk. I'm full. I hope I have enough energy to still do the fall decor today. If not, I'll pick it up tomorrow. But I just wanted to come on and just let you guys know those peppers were sweet good. So good. Anyways, I will maybe get a few clips of the walk, but I usually don't like bringing my phone along, so I don't know. Anyways, all right, you guys. See you guys. See. Hi, you guys. It has been weeks since the last few clips that I had in this video, in this vlog, but that's okay. Time got away from me. It's like November, I don't know, one of the beginning days of November, but I wanted to go ahead and show you guys my decorations that I did for the fall. I will be hosting for Thanksgiving, so I'm gonna be probably adding a few more decorations, but I don't know if I'm gonna have time to really show all of it. Oh, my phone just went off. But I just wanna go ahead and show you guys a few clips of my simple, humble Thanksgiving fall decorations this year. This is my little entryway, and then we'll make it over to my little living room, and I threw a few little pillows down here, some blankets. I got these from Five Below and I kept them, and I also put a cute little centerpiece here. And then near my TV area, I put cute little autumn looking colored ferns and turkeys. And then here is my fireplace area so far. And over here, I have a little fall Christmas tree area right here. Excuse our little Wi-Fi thing. That is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm definitely gonna have more videos coming for you all soon. For now, make sure you give this video a like. Down off the couch. I will see you guys next time. My dogs were hungry and they're looking at me like it's time to eat. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. And have a wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving if I don't see you guys before then. Bye.